Hi, my name's Terry Morley. I'm a researcher at NUI Galway in the discipline of geography. As far as barriers to peatland rewetting in Ireland, there's generally a lack of funding available for local communities and landowners, individual landowners. This is important because the majority of degraded peatlands lie in private land ownership. Over 60% of the raised bogs and over a third of blanket bogs have been degraded by private cutting. In addition, over 400,000 hectares of high organic soils lying in agricultural status. And so we need to enact mechanisms that will help reduce carbon emissions from these sources. That's only possible if we facilitate another barrier, and that's to provide a mechanism that will allow for payments to landowners to do the rewetting and to pay for these carbon-related benefits from these areas. As far as enablers, I'd say the Paris Agreement that established national emissions targets has been a profound enabler. This has led to the establishment of policies and funding available to countries to help investigate rewetting techniques. So this has been an important enabler. There's also been, as a result of that, advances in policy reforms. Peatlands now are gaining a foothold in the national and international conversations, and this is excellent. It also needs to continue. And I think there's been a change in the public awareness to the value peatlands have to the local community and certainly to meeting our national emissions targets. This is excellent and also needs to continue. Lastly, with gaps, similar to the barriers, I think we need to facilitate local rewetting. And the most important gap here is that Ireland does not currently have a coordinated structure for carbon and or ecosystem accounting. So that really needs to be established. And we need to have programs such like the Peatland Code and the More Futures here in Ireland. Thank you very much.